Hi guys, I'm back again with another bracelet making video. This time we're gonna make a very simple, dainty and minimalist bracelet with chains. This is one of the special pieces that I've saved it forever, and I think it's time to use it now. So I've got this connector, little Clover connector, and then I have 6-inch long chain, 2 of those, and then we're going to kind of make it a double strand bracelet with this, and then with some charms hanging it in the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our jump ring and find the center of the chain. And then put my jump ring through it. And my connector, connect them together. Okay, that's one side. We're gonna do this same thing on the other side. Okay guys, so I got chains connected on both sides. So all we're gonna do is take another jump ring, put it through both of the ends of the chains, and put your clasp through that jump ring as well, and close it. That's one side. Then on the other side, you know what, I think I have to, that's fine. Okay, and then on the other side, do the same thing. Get a jump ring, and you know what I'm gonna do actually on this side? I'm going to put my charms on one jump ring, close it up, and then I'm going to take another jump ring and put it through my chains. And then put that jump ring with the charms through the jump ring that we've been working with. And that's pretty much it. Oops. So this is what the bracelet looks like. Let me put it on and show you guys. Okay guys, so this is what our bracelet looks like, with the little charms hanging on the bottom. I like to add charms on pieces like this so that the front part, the focal part, stays this side of the wrist versus the back side. So I think that's the purpose of the charm. So nice, dainty, and minimalist, and quick and easy bracelet. That's all I have for today, guys. Have a good day. Bye.